Hi everyone, welcome to my session. Please subscribe my channel Balu Chemistry. Today we are going to discuss about very important topic, that is benzylic acid rearrangement. What? Benzylic acid rearrangement, that is under molecular rearrangement involving electron deficient carbon. So what is benzylic acid rearrangement? That is base catalyzed conversion of alpha diketocarbonyl compounds into alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. Base catalyzed conversion. Let's see one example. Okay, one example, just general example for understand purpose. This is R group, alkyl group, C double bond O R. This is alpha diketone or 1,2-diketone. Okay, in the presence of base and H plus gives rise to R bond C or OH, C double bond O, OH. Right, this is alpha hydroxy, this is alpha position, alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid. Okay, acid base catalyzed conversion of alpha diketocarbonyl compounds into alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid is the benzylic acid rearrangement. Okay, now see the mechanism. Okay, same example we take. R bond C double bond O, C double bond O R. Okay, just imagine OH minus. Now what happened? Hydroxyl group addition of hydroxyl group. This step is addition of hydroxyl group. Right, now this changes takes place here. R bond C double bond O, right, C oxygen having positive charge and newly OH group is here and here R group. Right, clear? Now what happened? This bond migrated here, this one, this total R group migrated like this way. Right, now what happened? R bond C O minus, R bond C O minus and newly shifted R group and C double bond O, OH. Right, clear? Next step is proton transfer. This bond is break down and coming here, this hydrogen goes to this one. Clear? Now what is the product? R bond C OH R C double bond O minus. Okay, right, this here. Okay, now acidification H plus H2O. Right, what happened? COH, R group C double bond OH, right? Otherwise we take one more step, but this is for our convenient purpose. Okay, fine, let it be. Okay, now what is the bases we used here? Base catalysts are generally, now this is carboxylate ion, this is carboxylate ion. Okay, base catalysts are generally used in this bare benzylic acid reagents are NaOH and KOH and BaOH taken twice. Generally in organic chemistry, benzylic acid reagent, we use only BaOH taken twice, but this is very this is very costly. That's why we eliminate this BaOH taken twice and we use NaOH or KOH, right? Clear? This R group migrated from one carbonyl carbon to another carbonyl carbon, and addition here migration takes place. Then this is proton transfer. This is proton transfer and acidification. We get alpha diketo carbonyl compound, carboxylic acid, alpha diketo dihydroxy carboxylic acids. Okay, clear? Now very important, that is we take some more examples. Right. Now I take this one is the example. C double bond O, C double bond O, here O alkyl group. Okay, now this is or the metachloro. We take metachloro, and I take one more example. pH C double bond O, C double bond O, pH. Now see this compound here, keto compound having two same groups. This is symmetrical. This symmetrical molecule. This is symmetrical molecule. From hydroxyl group goes to which carbon and which alkyl group, or which group migrated from one keto carbon to another keto carbon. Both sides are having same groups. There is no difference. Okay, but here both sides are having different. This is unsymmetrical. This is unsymmetrical molecule. Right. This is unsymmetrical molecule. Now, which hydroxyl group attacks to which carbon and which group migrated from one place to another place is very predicted, is very critical. That's why we used one point here, note, that is note the carbonyl compound or the group having more electron deficient group, more electron deficient group, that is carbonyl carbon. Okay, how to identify which one is more electron deficient and which one is less electron deficient? That is depends upon inductive effect, mesomeric effect and resonance effect. See here, this is one ring. Okay, this is second ring. Okay, see, first this is A group, this is B group. Now A group having chloro compound, that too in meta position, right? This is electron withdrawing group. Now this is minus I effect, this is plus R effect. Okay, this OR is plus R effect, this is minus I effect. So minus I effect is more deficient than plus R group, right? Now which one is migrated? This one is migrated. And which carbon attracts the hydroxyl group? This group attracts the hydroxyl group. Okay, now what's the product? Now what's the product in the presence of NaOH H plus? Just predict the product. O R benzyl group, C OH and newly attacked benzene ring and chloro here, C double bond O OH. This is the product. Clear? Understood? Which carbon having more electron deficiency, that carbon attracts the hydroxyl group, and also that carbon eliminate one bulky group. That means one group from that carbonyl carbon to another carbonyl carbon. Right? Clear? Now let's see the examples. We discuss some more examples. Okay, right. First example, let's start here. This is 5-membered ring. This is 5-membered ring. ఎక్కడ ఉంది? C double bond O, C double bond O. Okay, right. In the presence of NaOH H plus, we get COH and oxygen. Okay, and then C double bond O OH, alpha hydroxy carboxylic acids. Second one, and also same benzene rings, C okay, here 2 double bonds, right. In the presence of NaOH base and esterification H plus, we get only 5-membered ring closure COH, right. Now third example is, I take cyclohexyl group and C double bond O in the presence of NaOH and H plus, we get only 5-membered ring, COOH and OH. Clear? Examples: this is synthetic applications of benzylic acid rearrangement. It is very important. Which changes involving electron deficient carbon? More electron deficient carbon attracts the hydroxyl group, and that carbon eliminates one group and migrated towards another carbonyl compound carbon. Okay, that is main rule. And these are the examples, and last one example. These examples are enough. Please apply for another applications also, for synthetic applications. Okay, these applications are available in CSIR model papers. Okay, NET, UGC, CSIR, NEET entrance, IIT entrance. These examples are available in all these books. Okay, this is the last example, just a simple example. This smaller group, this is the product in the presence of NaOH and H plus. Okay, are you understood? Okay, please subscribe my channel, like it, share it, and press the bell icon. Thank you. See you in next class.